Guys ha, nakita nyo, kinuburan ko. Yan ang gusto nila. Huwag nyo na lamang papansinin yan. Bakit may cover? Yan, minsan nagtataka nga ako sa kanila, ayaw nilang pakuha. Alright guys, yan. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Andito na tayo sa Bonfield, Missouri. At magpapadiesel ako. Pagkatapos natin magpadiesel, magpapahugas tayo ng truck at saka trailer doon sa loob ng trailer natin. Putangin natin. Ayan, dumi na yung mga latak na yan sa ano, sa bunganga ng tangke na yan. Pag yan mapunta sa loob ng tank na yan, magkakaroon ng corroded yung mga ano natin, mga fuel injector, kaya iniingatan ko rin. Medyo bumaba rin ang timbang ng diesel ngayon guys ha. Oops, sa kabila muna. Bumaba. Nakalagay na tayo ng 149 sa kabila pa. Iwasan natin kuhanan ng ano, ang pangalan ng iwasan natin kuhanan ng pangalan ng company para hindi na naman nila pa-delete ang ating vlog. Kita nyo, maruming marumi. Gatak. Asin yan, asin. Maraming asin. Ano? Paugasan natin. Ano to? Pag ito napunta sa ano natin, mga salt to nilalagay nila sa karsada pag winter. Bila. Tapos yung trailer natin, tirahin natin yung trailer. Tangin na rin natin ito para wala tayong problema. Presyo 3.55, 3.559 isang diesel USD per gallon. Tara, punta tayo dun sa hugasan dyan. May pahugasan na rin dito eh. Okay, sana walang pila para hindi na tayo magtagal. Saan ka pupunta? Okay. Yan. Parang mayroon yata silang pahugasan dyan. May nasilip ako kanina nung nandun ako sa karsada eh. Enter here for inspection. Dito tayo sa likuran. Dito ba sa likod o sa kabila? Eh, wala dito ano. Oh, hindi. Walang daanan dito sa kabila. Ikot tayo. Walang ka-snow pero malamig. Driven to be the best. Mukhang wala yata silang truck wash dito. Truck repair, truck entrance. Tanungin ko nga dun muna. Hubayin natin. You leaving? You're leaving?
Yes.
Did they have a truck wash here?
Huh?
They have a truck wash?
They don't have a truck wash that I know of.
No truck wash?
I don't think so.
I'm just gonna move.
Is this you?
Yeah, I'm moving. Yeah. Hold on, just gonna ask. Do you have a truck wash?
There's one. If you go out right here, this driveway,
Oh,
you're gonna turn right. You're gonna go down here. There's a road right down here. You turn left,
okay.
and you'll drive right to it.
Oh, outsider, not you.
Not us, but it's down that way and down that road right there.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem.
Doon daw. Doon tayo magpa-truck wash. Oh. Alright guys, ayan. Mag-shower na muna tayo. Since dito naman tayo sa truck stop. Mag-shower na muna bago tayo tuluyan dumiretso doon sa pagpapa-truck washan natin. Para tuloy-tuloy na yan. Shower muna tayo. Alright guys, tapos ang shower natin. Saglitang shower lang yan. Let's go! Alright guys, let's go! Kahit malamig, maligo tayo at paliguan din naman natin ang ating truck kasi puro asin na. Alright. Oh, yun, 5-star truck wash. Mayroon pala siyang sign. Five-star truck wash ang sabi. May guider naman eh, ayun pala oh. May mga
Turn left on Mid America Industrial Drive.
araw-araw. Now open, 5-star truck wash.
Turn left on Mid America Industrial Drive.
Saan ba banda? Ah, yun, malaking yun. Oh, tamang-tama, walang nakapila, tamang-tama. Truck wash. Okay, ito ang entrance. Saan banda kaya? Kahit siguro saan yan. Oh, yun. Dito na lang. Ayos. Off duty. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. Can we do truck and then trailer washout?
Do you want a truck wash or trailer washout?
Trailer washout only inside, okay? But my truck,
And you want a truck washed?
yeah. Should I have to separate it?
No, you're cool.
Guys, okay with the camera? I'm a blogger, so.
I have to ask the boss, man.
Oh, you want me to turn up?
Okay, you want a motor wash real quick?
What's that?
You want the motor washed?
No, just outside.
The
So.
outside of it?
Oh, I think yeah. I think
Get the motor?
yeah. All in inside, 'cause a lot
with
of
the
salt.
frame and
Yeah.
everything,
Okay.
yeah. You want any Rain-X on it?
What's that?
Any Rain-X? Like wax coat on the truck?
No, just regular washout only. and then trailer is only inside.
Okay.
Do you want me to drop it?
No, you're cool. We'll get it.
You can get in at the
If you do
underneath.
drop it, it's a $10 charge.
Oh, if you
But
drop.
we can keep it attached and we can do it all.
Okay. No, it's okay. That's fine. Okay. All right. So, and just go pay for it. Okay. All right, guys. I leave you to it, eh? Bayaran natin. Okay. Okay, can we separate the bill because
Separate it.
yes, the other one, the trailer is for the company and that's mine.
Okay.
Yeah, please, thank you.
So what's the company went on there for the truck? For the truck. Joint.
Just both, but separate bill.
But bill?
I mean separate payment.
Yeah.
Okay, just both. So the trailer number is 1457.
And the company you went on there?
Both. The tractor is 2098. Oh, we gonna do first trailer or truck?
Yeah, we'll do the trailer first.
Okay.
Yeah, so the trailer is $43.50.
Hold on, I forgot my
Okay.
cylinder. It's gonna grab. Nakalimutan ko yung wallet. All right.
Credit card.
Yeah.
So that's for the washout.
Wash out for that, yeah.
You can insert or tap.
All right.
And if you'll sign anywhere at the bottom.
That's for the trailer, yeah. This is my copy,
yes. Yep, that's your copy. Truck. So that was 4098.
yeah. 20.
2098.
Yeah.
And do you want a company on there?
Just put 2. Same thing, yeah.
There it is. Alright, the truck wash is 72 even.
Okay.
And good to go.
Okay, so trailer.
Sign that one.
Is this, are those free?
Yeah.
Okay, I can have one. Thank you. All right, just gonna wait for them, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Ay, tinitira na guys. Ayan. Bali 72 plus 43 equals 100
What's the company?
50. Tama, right? 7 plus 4, 11. 3. Yeah, 115, 50 USD. Truck at saka trailer. Sama na natin yung truck. Yan. Sipag nila. Malapit na matapos. Ang dami nila, oh. Dami nila. Alright guys, tapos na. Almost 30 minutes din yung gawa nila. Truck at saka trailer. Okay. Napaligo rin si Cordapia ah. Let's go guys. Alright guys, ayan, nandito tayo sa truck stop. Puminto muna ako, i-check ko muna yung truck natin kasi pati sa engine pinahugasan ko na para malinis kasi marami talaga siyang mga asin-asin, no? Kasi yung namamahala sa karsada rito sa US at Canada, kapag ka nag-winter, nagsasabog sila ng asin. Makita natin. Okay. Okay, pinanga. Linisan nila talaga.
Wow!
Yung tanong, baka mamaya meron siyang na-sprayan din na hindi maganda. Sana wala naman. Kasi sinabi ko, ano lang, slight lang, huwag nilang ano ng malakas. Linis oh. Guys, sana napansin nyo, kinuburan ko kasi yan ang gusto nila. Huwag nyo na lamang papansinin. Guys, nakita nyo, kinuburan ko, yan ang gusto nila. Huwag nyo na lamang papansinin yan. Bakit may cover? Yan, minsan nagtataka nga ako sa kanila, ayaw nilang pakuhaan kahit yung ganyan lang na nagbibideo ko, samantalang post naman sila ng post ng kanilang, you know, sa Facebook. But anyway, yan ang gusto nila eh, company nila to eh, sumunod lang tayo. But anyway guys parang bagong datingan niya, brand new. Oh, ang linis. Oh. At itong ano niya, sa gulong, sa trailer, tapos na sa trailer. Okay, malinis. Ito kailangan malinis kasi yung mga dumi dito, latak minsan pagka naglagay ka ng diesel sumasama eh. Doon din sa kabila, malinis ang catwalk. Regular lang ang pagpapahugas ang ginawa ko. Hindi na masyadong maraming pacheche o ano pa bang mga ano, yan malinis naman. Kasi winter naman eh. Tama na yung regular lang. Okay, ayos. Check din naman natin yung trailer since andito tayo. Baka nakalimutan nila eh, nagbayad tayo. Malalaman natin yan. Dito okay ang temperature dito guys, walang snow. Hindi siya malamig. Tumutulo, ibig sabihin lininis din nila. Hinugasan, siyempre. Yun. Ayan, malinis. Okay, akado na natin. Ayos. Sarado na natin guys. Linis. Ayos. Let's go. Ito tayo sa pick up natin mga idol. I-pick up tayo. Ayan. But anyway guys, hanggang dito na lang yung video vlog natin. Huwag nyo nang pansin yun yung kinover ko kasi yun ang gusto nila. So, kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video vlog. Ingat lagi. Thank you for watching. Peace up. Bye.
Lakai Tracker.